Hi everyone, I want to show you our Fhiaba XPro 36-inch built-in counter-depth refrigerator. This is it. First of all, who is Fhiaba? Very few people have heard of Fhiaba, but people who are in the business, who know refrigeration, have had Fhiaba, love it. Fhiaba is an Italian company. They've been around for more than 50 years. They started out making commercial and medical refrigeration before they went to residential. And their designs are absolutely fantastic. Their warranties are as good as anybody's in the business. Just a wonderful product. First thing you'll notice is an all metal interior. Why is that important? Metal it acts as a great heat sink, and maintaining constant temperatures is the key to preserving food. Metal helps you do that. Very few manufacturers make all metal refrigeration, and all of Fhiaba's models are all metal. Other really nice features are their shelves are super easy to change the heights because of the mechanism they've installed. The lighting on these, LED theater lighting, really helps you see what's going on. If you'll notice, we have a commercial sheet pan in here. Try that in most built-in refrigerators. You can't do it. These shelves are 15+ inches. Most refrigerators from Sub-Zero, Thermador, etc. are 12 inches. How does Fhiaba do that? How do they accomplish that? Is it some sort of magic going on? Not really. They just have a newer design. Instead of putting the evaporators in the back, they put them in the side, the same side as your hinges on, which allows you more depth for the same size, gives you more usable space on your shelves, and you can put full-size sheet pans, you can put large pizza boxes, whatever. Another really cool feature of Fhiaba is, again, all metal drawers. These drawers, the steel is shot-peened. What the heck does that mean? Shot-peening means they blast the metal with ball bearings to close up all the pores. Why do they go to that trouble? It makes it more hygienic and easier to clean. Super smooth action, soft close, super durable. Here's one of the most amazing features of Fhiaba. Check out this hinge. This is a patented proprietary hinge. Most of the manufacturers are using an off-patent articulating hinge, and what that means is you can't really see it from this angle, but there's only about a finger's width of gap between the door and the case. Here, with the articulated hinges, it's about here. So it really opens up and allows more air to escape, which again makes it harder to maintain temperatures. And while I'm back on that topic, the other really cool feature of Fhiaba putting the evaporators in the side is they have a side-to-side airflow, not back to front. Why is that important? When you open the door, you're pushing cold air out. This is pushing cold air sideways, less cold air escape, more even temperatures. So, and back on these hinges, look what happens with the action on the hinge. Laura, if you can just show our viewers the side. Notice how it doesn't. The hinge, the corner never goes past the case of the refrigerator. And also, notice the small gap that I mentioned earlier. Well, why do we care that this corner right here never opens out? Well, if you're doing a built-in refrigerator and you want close tolerances, which if you're spending the money on this quality of a refrigeration, you're going to have cabinetry, you don't want big gaps. With Fhiaba, you can have as close to a zero clearance as possible. A couple features. The tri-mode drawer on this XPro. Fhiaba does make columns, but they also make these. This is a classic design, 36-inch fridges, Sub-Zero, Thermador, everybody makes them. What's different about Fhiaba is, again, all metal, shot-peened, second drawer here, But this is not just a freezer. This is truly, they call it the tri-mode drawer, and it has 3 modes. You can run it as a freezer. You can run it in al fresco mode for, say, which goes to 28 to 30 degrees or so, for getting drinks really cold if you're having a party, putting meats in that you want them to be nice and cold but not completely frozen. Or you can also run it as a refrigerator. So this whole thing can be run as a refrigerator. One final point I'll make, maintenance on these is super easy. Take your vacuum cleaner, the brush attachment, vacuum this out once every 3 months. Why do we want to do that? The compressors are up here. There are dual compressors, one for each compartment, and the compressors need to breathe. And this is where your lint and dust accumulates, so clean that. And Fhiaba, of course, has a traditional 12-year warranty, parts on the compressors. And what we really like at LUXX Kitchen and Bath is we try to avoid disposable appliances. Fhiaba has that long warranty like everybody else, but their goal is you have your fridge for 25 years. They're built to last. Beautiful product. And they're not inexpensive, but you are definitely getting what you pay for. Thank you.